So this summer, I'm really excited to share with you that we will have our first series of workshops. We've already been approved to have 5. Uh, our first one will be at North Carolina A&T on the 22nd and 23rd of June. And then we'll follow up with 4 more at HBCUs. And we even have approval to do one at TCU, Salish Kootenai College. So I'm excited about that. We're working on presenters, we're working on the dates, and it's just really exciting to connect with people and understand that they're excited about us attending and hosting these workshops. The workshops are free for participants. All you have to do is just sign up to be an MSCC member.
No, that's great.